The visualization technique. This unique technique is based on the good idea that focusing on what you want will help attract those desires into your life. All you need to do is find a quiet corner in your home or outside and start visualizing. It's important that in the state of your wish, you don't let negative thoughts or bad things render your manifestation process. Close your eyes and immerse yourself in an imaginary world where all of your dreams have come true. Dive deeper into imagining your desired reality as if it already happened, allowing yourself to truly feel grateful for everything you desire but have yet to experience. The more grateful and passionate you feel, the more power you emit into the universe. With a few minutes dedicated to visualizing each day, soon enough you'll be living amidst the manifestation of all that you once only imagined. Ladder technique. Goddard's revolutionary idea of visualizing before you go to bed can create unimaginable power and success in your life. The ladder technique involves visualizing an activity that you want to do or experience in reality, like climbing a ladder. Simply take a few minutes before bed to close your eyes and envision yourself climbing a step-by-step. Feel each step as if you were really ascending. All the while, during the day, write on several pieces of paper, "I will not climb a ladder as many times as possible." After 3 consecutive days of visualizing climbing a ladder, you may be put in real-life situations you have to climb the ladder. The power of feelings. The power of feelings is an exciting technique that helps you manifest your desired reality by honing in on how you want to feel. All you have to do is focus on how you want to feel, and the universe will deliver. By focusing on how you want to feel about a desired situation, such as obtaining a new job or finding love, and visualizing yourself in that situation, you will be able to better manifest it into reality. Utilize gratitude to show the universe that you are thankful for whatever comes your way. The next level of manifestation requires focusing on how you want to feel and removing any doubts or negative thoughts that come your way. Acknowledge the power of belief and trust in yourself as well as in the universe. Dare to assume. As long as you have the bravery and confidence to trust that your dreams can become reality. Start by picturing what life would look like if your most wanted goal was achieved and go into a meditative state. Then, powerfully feel like this event has already happened, allowing yourself to experience it fully. From there, continue growing this feeling while embodying the person who could attract what you desire emotionally and mentally. Everyone is you pushed out. It means that everyone from difficult partners to children who push your buttons is actually an extension of themselves. The moral of this phrase is crystal clear. Everything you see in your real world is a reflection of your inner state, your assumptions, and your beliefs. Like a mirror, the people around you mirror back the corresponding thoughts and feelings that are buried within you. Everyone is you pushed out helps us approach interactions with others in new ways and transform situations that used to seem unbearable. When used correctly, this powerful concept gives us the power to look within ourselves and find our own answers instead of trying to fix those around us. The breathing technique. This technique involves visualizing your desired outcome during a breathing exercise that has the power to fill your body with energy. Begin by slowly inhaling and exhaling, gradually speeding up the pace until you feel full of energy. Inhaling in abundance, allowing all of the resulting energy to be directed towards what it feeling of the wish to achieve. Then release both the energy and air within your lungs, feeling how this energy fuels what it is you desire. Living in the end. We can't always make our dreams come true right away, but we can start to see beyond the now and really feel what success looks like at this moment. Rather than just dreaming about the job you hope to have, take a few steps further with Neville's concept and visualize that you are already in that job, working at that company, achieving great things, and enjoying generous compensation each month. By doing so, you can actually feel those dreams manifesting in real time, truly magical. Revision technique. Revision is a powerful method that allows you to recreate a past event according to how you wish it would have gone. It doesn't require any special skills or talent. All that's required is for you to tap into your incredible imagination. Transform your reality with just the power of your mind. To practice the revision method, enter into a generalized state of sleep and imagine yourself reliving the same moment, throwing out all the bad stuff and replacing it with what you want. Whatever dream or aim or ambition it might be, practice imagining that everything works out perfectly. Play this version of events over and over until it feels like what actually happened. When you get that feeling, let go of your worries and trust that you have made the right change in the world. Congratulate yourself. Take a minute and visualize what it would be like to have achieved all of your dreams, to be in a quiet and peaceful place, free from the loud noise of the world outside and distractions that steer us away from our goals. Imagine closing your eyes and seeing everything that you've worked so hard for right in front of you. Now, open your eyes to find out that with Congratulate Yourself, you can make those visions become reality. Congratulate Yourself is about making the most out of our potential, believing in ourselves, and taking action. It's telling us that no matter how far we think we are from achieving our goals, anyone is capable of accomplishing their dreams when they motivate themselves and push through even when life gets tough.